the village elders, members of the youth club. I'd also like to acknowledge the presence of PA and district officer, senior government officials, ladies, gentlemen, brothers and sisters. Pula Vinaka, and a very good day to you all. At the outset, I would like to thank the village elders and the youth club members for hosting us here and also welcoming me and my team with the traditional welcome. Vinaka. Thank you. Some weeks ago, I was told that we have to go and hand over the grant. And within that few days, I also received a letter requesting a boat and engine for the youth club. I want to inform all of you that we have given the order for the boat, which we will deliver by end of this month. If not, then definitely first quarter of January. I have been also told that there is few other villages in the island, and I've asked my divisional manager and his team to visit all the youth clubs on the island and see ways and means how we can form a council. So all the youth club members will become member of that council. So it's easy for us, for government, to give grant or other needs to the council so that everyone at the island can use those resources. That's the whole idea. It will take some time, but I'm quite confident that we will be able to do that. But this morning, we are here to hand over the solar freezer, the solar panel, the batteries, aluminum rails, and other equipment that is required to operate the freezer. I have been also told that the youth club is blessed with an existing fish retail business of their own, and therefore this assistance that we're going to hand over today will assist them more. This is exactly what we intend to do, not only here, but throughout the country. We have been doing this, not just now. Let me make it very clear. We have been visiting, we have been reaching out to our unreached youth for past so many years. And we have found out that there are needs, different areas have got different needs. And we have been helping all these youths throughout the country. But let me also own, and may I take this time to say this to the youths, that you need to be very careful, because now I'm listening that some of the politicians are gathering youth for their own survival, for their own benefits. They're even hiring grounds, they're paying fee. And you all know what I'm trying to say. But today I want to say that you need to be very, very mindful what you are doing. I do not want to see that our youths are misled. We have been coming to you, not this is the first time. I've been told by my divisional manager that they have been visiting you, and we will continue to do that. And as I have said in many places, that we need our youths to come forward. We need our youths to come forward in the sense that gone are the days for our elders. They have done their part, and this is our turn now to give back to them. This is my message everywhere that I go. I ask the youth to be focused and to come and work together for the betterment of yourself, your community, and your village. That's very important. I was also told yesterday afternoon that the members of the youth club have gone through the empowerment training as well. This is very important. I mean, no point giving all this grant when you really don't know the know-how. And I'm told that you all have gone through this financial literacy empowerment training. And I want to assure you that in future, if you need any more training, you are most welcome to put in the submission, and we will come in and provide that training as well. I really don't want to give a lengthy speech. In fact, I want to hear from you as well. So I will just finish up here, and I just want to wish you all a blessed Christmas and a Happy New Year to you and to your families, and may God bless you all. Pinaka, and thank you.
Today, we are indeed so fortunate and blessed to be assisted by the government of the day and the team of delegations that are here with you today. A very special thank you to the Minister, Honorable Mr. Praveen Bala, and your ministry for choosing us, the Delaikamali Youth Club, as a grant recipient this year.
Jesus.